this evening we're going to dig up some potatoes and see what kind of crop we're going to get this year. You can tell all of them are starting to die out. Pay no attention to the weeds. We're going to take care of those at the same time, I hope. But according to my calendar, these should have been done last Thursday. We went out of town for the weekend. It rained an inch on them last night. Figure we better get them up out the ground before they start rotting like they did last year. Let's get at it and see what we got going on this year. One of the really cool things about the Back to Eden garden, we got the wood chips that are breaking down really hard. They're really broke down through here, going into nice rich dirt. When you dig your potatoes, you just grab the plant and pull up. And there's your potatoes. And just reach in, grab your plant, and pull her up, take them off. What we'll probably do is flip the dirt, put some newspapers on top of it, put some more wood chips on it, and do all this again. Let's go ahead and dig all these up. We'll come back to you and show you what you got when we're done. There's the half a row done. Not too bad for a half a row. Accidentally got a couple of onions, but let's see what row 2 is going to bring. For those of y'all doing the Back to Eden garden, you go down, you put paper down, cardboard, dump a bunch of wood chips on it. It's not going to look like this instantaneously, probably not even a year. This is basically 3 years worth, I believe, of layer upon layer of wood chips, paper, more wood chips, paper. But let me tell you what, anytime you can go out in your garden, you can hand dig your potatoes like that right there. Or you can play like your construction equipment. Get your kids out there, help them dig potatoes. Look at that. They go double scoops. 6 to 8 inches at a time. Oh. And you get a whole abundance of these suckers too. They'll scare the crap out of you if you're not careful. Cover him back up. Red potatoes, dug up, ready to be put underneath the house. If you hadn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll keep up to date on everything that's going on in the garden. Thank y'all. Until next time.